view of it. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
I am a man of constant sorrow. I've seen trouble all my days. I bid farewell to old Kentucky, the place where I was born and raised. The place where I was born and raised. Oh, 6 long years I've been in trouble. No pleasure here on earth I found. Oh, in this world I'm bound to ramble. I have no friends to help me now. He has no friends to help him now. To ride that northern railroad, perhaps I'll die upon that trail. Perhaps he'll die upon this trail. Maybe your friends think I'm just a stranger. My face you